Yes, alright guys, good evening. I am Ibrahim Boy, simply Albright Ibrahim on YouTube channel. I'm just a new YouTuber. I am to help people, do tutorials to help other people in how to make money online and many more. How to create virtual cars, make money online in Ghana as well as the whole Africa. And please, I'm pleading with you guys, please subscribe on my channel and like and comment. Please, I am a newcomer, and as well as I see people subscribing and liking my video, I'll come on with an amazing and lucrative and nicely well prepared tutorials how to make money online in Ghana as the whole Africa. Okay, thank you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching. Thank you, friends.